Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley. Welcome to my channel. I promised you another yarn unboxing, and here it is. I hope that you subscribe and like the channel because I've already done a few unboxings and I hope you haven't missed them. And by subscribing, you won't miss any future ones. So check out the other unboxings I've already done and let's join in on this one. This gift is from Tahki Stacy Charles, and I have not seen what's in this box yet. Let's see what they sent me so that I can show you. Cardboard so I don't cut the yarn when I open it. Very smart. Okay, so got a nice package here. Ooh, okay, so we've got a couple different yarns. Sorry about the sound as I open the plastic. Okay. Ooh, this is lovely. This is Cesia. I don't know how to say it. Comment below if you know. S-E-S-I-A Bimbo. 100% cotton, organic cotton. And look, it looks like it's a very, very, very long color change yarn. It's extremely soft. It's very soft, 100% cotton. Let's see what else I can see. Made in Italy, lovely. Let's see. What would you make with this lovely cotton yarn? Are you in a warm place right now where you would want a nice breathability of cotton? This one is color 3210, and I can't even read it without my glasses. Cold water wash, hand wash. Okay, 180 meters, 196 yards. Very soft. I'm trying to like pull it apart a little bit and see how dark it gets. Maybe that dark. Maybe it stays kind of that middle blue. They're really speaking my language when they talk about blues for me. This feels like the foam on top of the ocean. That's what this colorway reminds me of. Very pretty. I'm not sure what I would make with it. I don't generally make too many garments, but I think this would make a great garment yarn for warm weather or a warm climate. And so I would probably use like a tiny hook with this, maybe an E or an F. Not too tiny. It's not thread, but it's not too thick either. So this is the Cesia Bimbo 100% organic cotton from Tahki Stacy Charles. And I will put the link in the description for where to find these yarns. Ooh, this is soft. This is Slim Fit Jeans by Tahki Yarns. It's 100% Egyptian cotton. It's so dark blue, it might be kind of black. Very dark. I guess it is black. I wonder if they have other colors. I'll have to get on the website and look and see if they have more colors of slim fit jeans and 100% cotton. It's surprisingly soft. Like when I picked it up, I didn't expect it to be this soft, but it's very, very soft. It's a little bit fatter of a yarn than the Bimbo Cesia yarn. It's a little bit thicker, but it's probably still the same kind of F, maybe a G hook. And this one is also made in Italy. And Tahki Stacy Charles, 114 yards, and for G hook, it recommends cold water washing, hand washing. Okay, and if you're a knitter, a size 6 needle for this one. Lovely. Now I'm excited about this because it caught my eye. I opened the bag. It's in its own lovely bag. Look at this. It is 5 colors of Tahki yarns, and let's see, Cotton Classic Colorworks. Oh, I get it. So Cotton Classic is a yarn that's been around for a while. They also have Cotton Classic Light, so it's a little bit thinner even. And this one is a kit, and it's the Cool Waters kit. They also have Meadowgrass, Purple Majesty, Poppy Fields, Stormy Skies, and Woodlands colorways. And here's some patterns that they have on their website to go with it. So I guess they're jumping on the gradation bandwagon and giving us 5 hanks of yarn that all coordinate together. And so I'm guessing this is a unique packaging for them with the Cotton Classic. And they may have added some new colors because I don't remember a few of these, but I know they have tons of colors in the Cotton Classic. And it's a great yarn. I've used it before, and it's this kit though is 5 cotton classic colors. So the total package is 8.75 ounces. So each little skein is 108 yards. And so you get 5 of them, and you can coordinate them any way you want. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So tell me, what do you suggest? Should I swatch one of these? Which one should I swatch? And what inspires you? This spring collection for Tahki Stacy Charles, it's spring 2018 is what these are new for. So tell me in the comments below which items you'd like me to swatch. So the slim fit jeans, or the Bio Bimbo, or the Cotton Classic Colorworks collection. Also, I want to give a shout out to Bobby C, who's a subscriber of the YouTube channel. Hi, Bobby. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and like this channel so that you can see more. I have more unboxing coming up. You don't want to miss it. The yarn has not arrived, but it's on its way. So click like and subscribe so that you won't miss any unboxings or any technique lessons that I do on this channel. Thank you so much. I'll put the link for Tahki Stacy Charles in the description. See you next time. Bye.